Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet face mask adapter. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. So let's start crocheting. Before making a slip knot, we will leave some yarn. Then we will make a slip knot. Then chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Total 15 chains. Then we will skip the first chain and work from the second chain. One single crochet in each chain. After making one single crochet in each chain, in the last chain we will work 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then in the next stitches, that is opposite side stitches, in each stitch we will work one single crochet. We will work one single crochet throughout except the last stitch. In the last stitch before the first single crochet, work 2 single crochet. One and 2. Then in the first single crochet, the starting first single crochet, in that stitch we will work 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitches, one single crochet. Work one single crochet till the middle single crochet of 3 single crochet. We have worked 3 single crochet at the end. In the middle one single crochet, we will work 3 single crochet. One, two, and 3. After 3 single crochet in the middle stitch, then work 1 single crochet in next stitches. Work 1 single crochet till the first single crochet of 3 single crochet which we have worked in one stitch. This 3, 1, 2, 3 which we have worked in one stitch, 3 single crochet. In the first stitch we will make a slip knot and end the stitches. Make a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Leave the yarn and then cut the yarn. Leave some yarn. Then with the help of the needle we will attach the buttons on the both side. As we have leave the both side yarn, with this yarn only we will attach the buttons. No need to take another yarn. You can work the starting chains as per the size you want. I've worked 15 chains. If you want somewhat bigger than this, then you can work 20 chains. Cover the yarns properly and complete the face mask adapter or ear saver. If you really enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Bye bye.